we're ready for it.
Top 10 would be incredible. Winning just seems a bit unfathomable right now.
I think that I would worry about Ollie and Jelly.
Hey everybody, can I have you around the money? This next game requires a little bit of setting up. Bring in the curtains.
Oh man.
It sounds like a freaking train is here, literally.
Was it like a hearing it challenge?
I feel like they're making noise just to make noise.
I think they're messing with us.
We've been hearing weird sounds.
Honored to be considered a YouTube legend. It feels like some sort of weird high school reunion.
I remember when 5 million subs was the biggest deal. You're at 500 million subscribers. How does that feel, Jimmy?
It feels surreal. It doesn't feel real, to be honest. What's going on out there?
I don't know, but I'm nervous.